Welcome back to Craft Catalog, where forgotten materials get a second life and ordinary designs turn extraordinary. Today's journey begins with a simple question. What if that dusty, worn-out piece of furniture in your basement or garage is actually hiding a masterpiece waiting to be revealed? Imagine uncovering beauty beneath scratches, reviving life under faded finishes, and transforming something once discarded into a showpiece that looks expensive but costs almost nothing to restore. That's the magic of furniture restoration, and today, we're diving deep into how you can do it too. Furniture restoration is not just a skill, it's a form of storytelling. Every old table, chair, or cabinet carries history, and with the right tools and techniques, you can preserve that character while creating something fresh and modern. Whether you're reviving a family heirloom, breathing life into a thrift store gem, or flipping furniture for extra income, restoration opens the door to creativity, sustainability, and profit, all at the same time. Let's start with the foundation of all restoration projects, understanding what you're working with. Look closely at your piece and assess whether it needs structural repairs, surface refinishing, or simply a cosmetic lift. Tightening joints, replacing missing hardware, and fixing cracks instantly improve durability without requiring advanced skills. Once your piece is stable, you're ready for the part everyone enjoys, the transformation. Sanding is the first step toward revealing the natural beauty of the wood. As the old finish comes off, the grain begins to reappear like a hidden pattern emerging from beneath the surface. Whether you choose to hand sand or use an electric sander, always move in the direction of the grain. This prevents scratches and prepares the wood to absorb finish evenly. When the surface feels smooth and clean, you'll know the piece is ready for color. Staining is where creativity shines. You can choose a rich walnut for depth, a classic oak for warmth, or even a modern gray wash for a clean contemporary look. The key is applying thin, even layers and wiping away excess to avoid blotches. Each coat brings out more detail, revealing the character that makes real wood so valuable. If you prefer a painted finish, chalk paint creates a smooth matte texture with vintage charm, while latex paint achieves a crisp, modern feel. Both styles can completely transform the personality of the piece. The finishing stage is where the magic truly comes together. A protective top coat, whether polyurethane, wax, or varnish, seals the wood and gives your work durability that lasts for years. This step enhances the color, adds a smooth finish, and protects the surface from scratches and spills. It's the final polish that turns your restoration into furniture that looks professionally crafted. Hardware may seem small, but it has the power to change everything. Swapping outdated knobs, poles, or hinges for modern hardware instantly elevates the look. Matte black creates a bold contemporary feel, while brass adds timeless elegance. Even the simplest drawer pull can make a dramatic difference, especially when paired with a fresh wood finish. One of the most satisfying parts of restoration is knowing you're saving money while creating something beautiful. High-end furniture shops often sell pieces for hundreds or thousands of dollars, yet with restoration techniques, you can achieve the same polished look for a fraction of the cost. It's sustainable, budget-friendly, and incredibly rewarding. And if you're thinking beyond home decor, furniture restoration can also become a profitable business. Many people buy old pieces at yard sales or thrift stores, restore them over a weekend, and sell them for double or triple the original price. With practice, each project becomes easier, faster, and more creative. Your restored furniture not only stands out, it tells a story that buyers love. So as you explore your basement, garage, or local thrift store, remember that every old piece has potential. Whether it's a scratched dresser, a faded coffee table, or a chair with a wobbly leg, restoration gives you the power to turn imperfections into beauty. And here at Craft Catalog, we're here to guide you through every step. If you love transforming the old into something extraordinary, make sure to subscribe, tap the like button, and join our community of creators who see possibility where others see waste. Your next masterpiece is already waiting.